Amewahakikishia Wakenya kuwa kamati ya BBI iliyoundwa na Rais Uhuru Kenyatta na kiongozi wa upinzani Raila Odinga itazingatia matakwa yote ya Wakenya bali sio wanasiasa wachache. Mbunge huyo ambaye alikuwa katika eneo bunge lake akizindua chama cha ushirika kitakachojumuisha Wakenya wenye mapato ya chini, amesisitiza kuwa ni muhimu marekebisho ya katiba kufanyika kabla ya uchaguzi mkuu wa mwaka 2022 ili kuzuia utata na vurugu ambazo hushuhudiwa baada ya uchaguzi mkuu humu nchini.
This constitution has been around for nearly 10 years now, and we said after about 10 years we shall do an audit review of the constitution. So the operationalization of the constitution has happened. We know where the weaknesses are. We need to improve it and keep on, and then we can have a better document. And let me assure Kenyans that the change of constitution is not going to favor any single individual. This is for posterity. These people, those who are there at the moment, maybe the direct beneficiaries, but it's going to be for a long time. It's for this country to have a stable, system of management. Because we have seen that every time we go to an election, we have come out like we have come from a war, and the country has been hurt so much. Our economy, the example is just the last 2 elections, has brought the country to a standstill, and we don't want to go that direction. The SACCO is it's an initiative that I started, but it is free for anybody to join. And I am also just a member like any other person. I'll be contributing as a member, and that's why just to encourage them to be able to subscribe. Most Kenyans are very suspicious of initiatives that start like this one. They think is a kind of pyramid which was there that they used to con Kenyans.